Alright everyone, welcome to another video. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. In this video, we are discussing how you can make money pumping gas, okay? So this is real simple. I will have the link to the app down below. And pretty much, I live in Indiana, okay? So I'm just going to show you how many gas stations there are, that's giving gas back, cash back for your gas, okay? And pretty much, it has gas stations, restaurants, and groceries. Right now they don't have any groceries in there right now because they're adding on to the application. But yeah, it's pretty simple to do. And once you open the app, you're just going to select the gas station. I'm just going to pick this Marathon right here. You click on that, and it's letting you know, hey, for every gallon that you get, we're going to give you 10 cents per gallon. Okay, I'm just going to click on the more info. Okay, so if you get the 10, if you get the mid-grades, 18 cents, etc., etc., okay? So what you got to do, you're going to have to use a debit or credit card, okay? And then once you get that receipt, what you want to do is you want to upload it to the app. So I'm just going to click on claim. And after you click on claim, down here at the bottom, it's giving you 4 hours to upload this receipt, okay? So from the time you press it, you have 4 hours to upload that receipt. And then once you upload it, you will get cash back, okay? As you can see, I've made $32 so far. My mentor actually has made over $2,000 doing this. And I'm just fortunate to learn about this. And here's one way you have to look at it is that no matter what, you are going to have to pump gas. So why not get paid cash back? And you might be thinking, well, what if I have a rewards with the gas station? That's fine. This is completely separate, and you can use the rewards at that gas station, and you can use this app. So that way you're double dipping. You have a cashback credit card, you're triple dipping. So why not maximize these savings? Okay, and let's kind of look back at my history. Okay, and you see, all these gas stations I went to. So, I'm just kind of, just pumping gas, and then, at the end of the year, I might cash this out to do whatever I want with it. So, anyway, just wanted to share this easy way to use this app, and then it'd be great for you. So, again, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I apologize for the baby in the background. My son is ready to play. So, anyway, looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Talk to you later.